In this video, we're going to create an ad using one graphic and some text. We're logged into our vendor admin area, and we're going to enter the ad editing area by clicking Contest Fire. After clicking that, we scroll down and we click New to create a new ad. Over on the right side of the editor, there you'll find the image button. First, we're going to place an image, so we click there. Then we want to browse the server to find a graphic. Now, if we hadn't uploaded a graphic already or created a folder to house it in, we could come to the bottom here and create a folder as usual. But we're going to just place this, or we're just going to use a graphic that's already on the server. So we're going to go into Test Ad 3 here and select that graphic. Now we can set our graphic options. We want this to be, we're going to edit the image properties here, the width and the height. I have the lock beside these two options locked so that if I change either one of these, then the other will automatically match to give us the same aspect ratio as we started with. So I'm going to set the bottom, the height, at 400 pixels, and you'll see that the top went from 800 to 533 immediately. Okay, we don't want a border on this, and we don't really need any horizontal or vertical space surrounding the graphics, so we're not going to set that. Now, alt text, when you mouse over a graphic when it's live online, sometimes you may have noticed that some text, a small box will pop up, and there will be some text, descriptive text that is attached to the photo. This is where you would edit that. So let's call this globe, because that's what the photo is about. You can put anything descriptive in there that you like. Okay, so we're all set. We're going to place that graphic. Okay, so now an interesting thing, I would like to put a headline above this graphic, and to do that we need to get our cursor on the left hand side of the graphic. So what I do is just click the graphic and then use the arrow key on my keyboard. Use the left arrow key, that places the cursor on the left side of the graphic, and then I can do one carriage return, and then I hit the up arrow on my keyboard, and that puts my cursor up above the graphic. That's handy to know in case you've placed a graphic first and then are struggling to get your cursor above the graphic. Okay, so let's just type line of text. This could be a heading for your ad. Okay, I want to center that line of text, and then I'm going to actually make that bold, and then I'm going to select the graphic and I'm going to center it as well. Okay, let's preview our ad. Click preview and scroll up, and now we see our ad as it would appear online. We need to center it just a bit to make it look correct. Put the cursor in front of our headline, give it one carriage return, click preview again, and now the ad is nicely centered and it's going to appear correct online. And that's basically all there is to that. We've made another video covering linking, and we'll do another video on working with text itself, coloring it, sizing it, choosing fonts and styles, and backlighting it, stuff like that. So look for that in another video.